Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making another pair of beautiful resin floral earrings. These earrings are simple to make and perfect for beginners. These are the materials we are going to use: UV resin, Bezel tape, sticks to hold the tape, UV light, heat gun for bubble removal, hand drilling machine, earring vessel, jump rings, earring hooks, dried flowers and flower stems. So let's get started. First I will secure the vessel with Bezel tape so the resin doesn't leak. Make sure the tape is pressed down properly. Next I'll pour a thin layer of UV resin into the vessel. Then I'll use the heat gun to remove the bubbles. Let the first layer cure first. This will keep the resin from moving when we add the flowers in the next layer. Now I'll carefully arrange the dried flowers using the flower stems. Take your time with this step to create the design you like. Once everything is in place, let it dry, and I'll add another layer of resin to cover the flowers completely. I'll cure it under the UV light for about 20 to 30 minutes. After the UV resin is fully cured, I'll remove the Bezel tape. Now I'll use the hand drilling machine to make small holes for attaching the earring hoops. Next, I'll also add one layer of resin to the back for a smooth finish. Then let it dry. I'll add the final layer of resin on the top. This gives the earring a nice dome effect. Then let it dry. Finally, I'll attach the jump rings and earring hooks. And that's it. Our beautiful resin floral earring is ready. upload new videos every week. So let me know what do you like to see in my next video. You can also share your own ideas. If you enjoy this tutorial, please like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.